I think we're getting married again.
You got remarried? That was super cool.
That was super cool. I don't even know what to think. This is so cool.
Why did you come to Mexico?
To have Del Sol Photography do our honeymoon photos.
All preconceived notions that you have about Mexico are wrong. It's not desert, it's a jungle.
You expected to come do touristy
I guess
pictures.
Yeah, you come expect to do everything that tourists, because that's all we ever see.
We feel really safe in Mexico. We went off the touristy path today and kind of got where most people don't get to go, and got to meet locals and kind of experience a little bit of the Mayan way, and had a great time. Had some foods from the Mayan people that they made for us. Homemade corn tortillas and tacos, which are different from what we would have expected them to be.
Tell me about how you felt in that Mayan ceremony place and what they did for you.
Pampered.
Pampered, yep. They came up with things just right off the bat to, the necklaces that we both got. They just had it ready, came up with things quickly, put a bouquet together in a matter of seconds. I mean, it's what they do every day. It's what they're good at. It's their lifestyle. Just so different from anything that we would have ever planned or expected on our own.
Met
people you would have never met. People who've held land for hundreds of thousands of years for their ancestors. Still living off the land.